Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a unboxing video and I'm super excited. I am currently in my office. It is 9:30 at night and we are going to be doing the fall Fab Fit Fun box. It came really late, like it was supposed to come at the beginning of the month, but it didn't. And it was also delivered to the wrong address, so that was fun. But we got it. We got some extras in it because I re-signed up and they had a promo where you like get some extra goodies with it. So we're gonna open it up. I have not opened it yet. I don't think I know what's in it. I don't think I looked. I think I've been too busy to look, but I'm gonna open it up right now. Figure out how to open it. Yeah, so on top are the extra items that I got. But first we got the Fab Fit Fun Feast on Falls and stuff, I guess, like it used to. I haven't had Fab Fit Fun in a long time, so okay, whatever. Okay, moving on. So first things first. Oh, I already have this. Okay, so I'm gonna give this away to someone or sell it or something. But this is the Giving's Key mini collection necklace. So it's just a little key. I got this in another box, so this is a duplicate. But it's really dainty and super cute. All right, next, what are these? Attitude, whatever brand that is. Oh, so these are bamboo pillowcases. Ooh, they feel really nice. So soft on your skin, gentle on your planet. And there's, a 15% off code if you use Spring Fit. So there you go, 15% off if you use code Spring Fit. Oh. This is expired. It expired in April. It's September. It's almost October. Okay, never mind. Don't use that code. It's expired. But these are so pretty. They're super soft and just really simple white pillowcases. Can never have enough pillowcases. Awesome. And they come in this cute little bag so I can store them. And how I store things is I throw them on the top shelf of our closet that I can't reach. So they come in this little bag. Cute. Okay, moving on. What is this? This is the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. Ampoule? What is this for? Oh, it's a skin thing. Okay. So it is plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten, no soy, and women-owned. So this is it here. Super cute. Let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, let's smell it. Smell test. We gotta do the smell test. Okay. Oh, it's super cute. Look at the color. Can't really see it on camera, but okay, I see you. It smells interesting, but oh my god, that is super cute. It's like an aesthetic. Focus on this, please. Focus on this. There we go. Super, super cute. Okay. Okay. Alright, awesome. Alright, and then the last thing for the extras. This is the Too Faced Hydrating Lightweight Hangover Good to Go Skin Protecting SPF 25 Moisturizer. Can never say no to a good moisturizer. I think I have like most of the line of the Hangover stuff. Like I'm pretty sure I have like the spray. Do I have this one? I don't know if I have this, but this is it here, so it's full size. Full size and spectacular. Cute. Okay, so those are the like freebies I got this month. Or this season, because it's a seasonal thing. Yeah, Fab Fit Fun is a seasonal thing. Okay, now getting into the actual box. Okay, cute little paper. All right, as always, there is a 16 free meals using HelloFresh. Cool. I don't think we have HelloFresh here, but I don't know. All right. I guess we'll just pick. I won't look. Okay. I don't know what this is. We're gonna have to open it. Oh no. Something leaked. Oh boy. Hold on. Okay, great. So something broke and is all over everything. Gotta love that. So I'm gonna have to talk to support about that tomorrow. Okay, so we're gonna open this gooey mess. Yummy. Okay. Oh, it's a lunch pack. Okay. So it's like a reusable lunch pack. Okay, let's open it. Let's see. What is this all about? Oh yeah, okay. Oh, that's super cute. And then you just, I guess, roll it or something. And then you use the band and connect it, and it, okay, I did something wrong. I'm gonna have to read the instructions, but that's super cute. Okay, awesome. All right, next up we're gonna do the thing that is leaking all over the place. This is the Island of Italy bath gel. Well, it smells really good, but yeah, the cap broke off and it leaked everywhere. But super cute. Everything is sticky. All right. Okay, moving on. Next thing, these are the Fry boot socks, bamboo blend. Super cute. Let's open them up. These are also very sticky. Oh, I really hope it didn't wreck the actual socks. I don't know if it did or not. No, I think we are okay. Okay, so we're just gonna throw this wrapping out right away. Ooh, they are so soft. So yeah, they're just, so we got some gray and black socks, and they're super, super soft, and they look like they're pretty high, so that's awesome. All right, next, see, this box got a little bit damaged, but it is what it is. So this is after dinner food drink trivia. Oh, it's a trivia game. So 120 food and drink questions. Interesting, that'll be a fun game when I clean it up. I don't have anything in here to clean it up. Just using paper currently. Ew. Okay. Next. What are you? This is the Benefit the Professional Pore Primer. Ooh, I don't think I've ever used this, and I think I've always wanted to because I tend to have big pores on like my nose area and like my cheeks. So it's just this guy here. And it's sealed perfect. Okay, cool. Definitely got some use out of that. Okay, what is this? All right, so this is $15 off your first Fab Fit Fun box. So here's the code here. I don't know how many uses you can get, but if you use it, you use it. There you go, helping you save a little money. All right, next up, we got 𝒮𝑜𝒗. What is it? Oh, it's a block clock. So it has the time, alarms, the temperature, calendar, brightness. Okay, it's like this little box. All right, so it comes with a charging thing, comes with batteries. Love seeing that things come with batteries so I don't have to go looking around. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is my aesthetic too. It's like, it's marble. Okay. Ooh, that's fancy. I like that. That is so cute. You know where this would be perfect? Right here in my office. Oh my god, yes please. Okay, we're doing that. I'll have to set it up and you'll see it. I'll show it in a vlog or something, but oh my god, that's so cute. And I love how it's marble. There's instructions and stuff too that I'll have to read. Oh, that's really exciting. That's super cute. Okay. We are getting there. We just have a couple things left. I think 2 things left. Okay. This is the 2 Bandits. Okay. It says it's a tiered catch-all tray. Ooh, cute. So just a catch-all tray, I guess. That's cute. That'll look cute on the counter actually, and then like the inside's kind of marbly. Yes. Okay. Looks like this didn't get ruined. So this is the Our House Your Home waffle blanket, and it's in like this foresty green. Let's open it up. I'm hoping this is perfect for like a couch or something, but it is super cute. Yeah, so it's just like this forest green, and it's nice and thick. It's nice. I'm not gonna open it up because I don't have room to put it right now, but that is that. So that is everything in my Fab Fit Fun box. A couple things I'm gonna have to look into. I'm gonna have to message them about my damaged box, which really sucks, but it's okay. But yeah, so if you're interested in signing up for Fab Fit Fun, I will leave a link down below. There's this code too, if you guys are interested. I don't know how many uses you can get out of it. It might be a one-time code. Here, let's just... So you use this code for $15 off your box. The box is like $49 every season or something. I have the annual box because it was just cheaper. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.